So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload Gemini Studio website to Hostinger. First thing first, open your project in Google AI Studio and download or export the website source files to your computer. Log into your Hostinger H panel and open Websites. Select your website and open File Manager. Then go to Public HTML folder. Now upload your Google AI Studio website files. If they come as a zip file, upload it and choose Extract. Make sure your main website files such as index.html are directly inside public HTML, not inside another folder. Now if your project uses a build system like React or Vite, build the project first and upload the generated dist or build files instead of the source code. And that's it. Your Google AI Studio website should now be live on your Hostinger domain. If the domain was just connected, give DNS changes some time to propagate. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.